Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We back with another one. Told y'all we had something special coming. I told y'all we had something special coming. Oh no. No, you ain't come over here with the ball.
Shout out right quick.
No, she don't care. The goal is up.
Shoot the first brick on that thing.
Hey, first miss goes too. But yeah, we out here. We out here. Now we training kids. Mike Steve, where he at? Okay. Mike Steve, where you at? Take this to the dump. We move this out the way. Yes, sir. Told y'all we was coming. I told y'all. We had the shop. Fresh starts. Coming soon, coming soon. Yes, sir. Got gas. Still gotta get all electric water here. We snatch up the flows. You know. Bathroom 2. Well, this bathroom 3. You know, we got water on both ends. We got flushing toilets. Yes, sir. The other 3 I'm gonna wrap up now. Just remember how these lights look. Maybe another day. And we back with another banger. Y'all see it. We got the supply lines coming in. We got the supply lines. We got all working toilets and sinks in here. You already know. We got the outside water spigot in here. Drain line. Come out the back. Come over here. Yeah, right there, that little drainage spot. I would come through the back, but I done had a technical difficulty with my door, which we gotta go ahead and get that replaced. You already see we out here putting up hoops. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I was out here with the bonfire earlier. Y'all missed the B-Day grill. I do better getting back on social media. I really don't be paying no attention. But yeah, y'all see it. Hold on. Oh, the tree. Hold on. Crush the glass. Nobody care about all that. Yeah, we out here. One hand on them, coach. Come on, you know how to follow through. You gotta follow through with it. Oh, trash can. Oh. Alright, we're gonna leave that alone before I burn the building down before we get it going. But yeah, let me walk y'all through. We got enough going for us today. Ended up finishing a set of the floors. You know, I had been ducking and dodging that last flow, but I was able to come through and get it taken care of. So let's run that stove real quick. See what we talking about. See what we talking about? Y'all already know we got to, oh, this might be the last day y'all see these lights. I don't know. We gotta wait till tomorrow and find out. But we got a lot of our touch-up paint accomplished today. But yes, sir. Got the last flow done. You know, we had the broil out here. We had big drinks out here for the B-Day. Can't wait to see what we got going on next. Y'all just gonna have to, you know, stay tuned. We is in here knocking out most of this little touch-up paint. You know, doing the little things right now. Got my gas on. Y'all saw that already. Finna get my electrician out here, get my new lights installed. Security cams on the way. You know, we just taking it one day at a time. The only major item I got left is that window. And those of you who follow along, y'all know exactly what window I'm talking about. This is one of the last other things we gotta do right here. Touch up, man. Come in here and clean a lot of these edges and stuff up. We're gonna do it like that. We still got the sinks to be installed, but overall, I think we done knocked out a lot of major activities. You know, learn how to do a lot. So if y'all need these garage style epoxy floors, I can do it. Figured out how to take up tile and stuff. I can do it. I don't know what I'm gonna charge you, but I can do it. But you know, we at the Fresh Start building. We at the Fresh Start building. Where we finna be mentoring and building. We finna be training these kids. Teaching them whatever it is we know, we're gonna teach it to them. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm finna get ready to head out of here. Hopefully the plumber, he come in and you know, do what he was supposed to do, and you know, we can officially end the plumbing contract. Oh yeah, if y'all ain't know, I had to burn my sage earlier. You know, felt like the energy was off in this mug, but yeah, we still got a lot coming. I appreciate everybody that's been following along with the journey. I can't say whether or not it was taking me too long or too fast, because I really ain't had no expectation. I just wanted to, you know, really soak in the process, get everything done one day at a time, continue to network, build, live in my truth, continue to do this for the family. And yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, you know, it's all about growth. And that, you know, each year we get older. I turned 35 on Saturday. So each year that we get older, I feel like we got to elevate. The main goal is to do better than we did yesterday. And as a financial goal, the main thing is double up what you did last year. So if you start off with 10K in your bank account, make it 20K next year. The year after that, make it 40K. Make it 80K. Because once you know how to double, it's going up. So, you know, the end of 2022, 2023, I'm still looking to buy more stuff. Still looking to invest in this community. So if you think I did enough this year, I'm planning on doing double next year. So y'all stay tuned. We got a lot coming. We got a lot coming. We got a lot coming. So y'all stay tuned. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a beautiful rest of y'all week.